Now, this video is specially made for Nissan Rogue owners, as in this video I have listed top 3 best Nissan Rogue roof rack in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit roof racks after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of roof racks. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the racks. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with Nissan Rogue, so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Inup Roof Rack is an outstanding choice for Nissan Rogue owners seeking a versatile and durable cargo solution. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, this roof rack offers exceptional strength without adding unnecessary weight, preserving the vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Its aerodynamic design minimizes wind noise and drag, ensuring a quieter and smoother ride. The Inup roof rack features easy-to-adjust clamps, allowing for a secure and damage-free installation on the Rogue's roof rails. With its robust load capacity, it is ideal for transporting a variety of items, including luggage, bicycles, kayaks, and other outdoor equipment, making it perfect for family vacations and adventure trips. The sleek, low-profile design enhances the Rogue's modern aesthetics, while the corrosion-resistant finish ensures long-lasting durability even in harsh weather conditions. Combining practicality, strength, and style, the Inup roof rack is an excellent accessory for Nissan Rogue owners who value reliability and performance on every journey. Number 2. The WonderDriver roof rack is an exceptional choice for Nissan Rogue owners looking for a reliable and stylish cargo solution. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this roof rack ensures durability without compromising the vehicle's fuel efficiency due to its lightweight design. Its aerodynamic shape reduces wind noise and drag, contributing to a quieter and more enjoyable driving experience. The WonderDriver roof rack features easy-to-adjust clamps that provide a secure fit, preventing damage to the Rogue's roof and allowing for straightforward installation. With a robust load capacity, it is perfect for transporting luggage, bicycles, kayaks, and other outdoor gear, making it ideal for both everyday use and adventurous outings. The sleek, modern design seamlessly integrates with the Nissan Rogue's aesthetics, while the corrosion-resistant finish guarantees long-lasting performance even in harsh weather conditions. Combining practicality, strength, and elegance, the WonderDriver roof rack stands out as an essential accessory for Nissan Rogue owners seeking enhanced functionality and style. Number 3. The Alavente roof rack is an excellent choice for Nissan Rogue owners seeking a high-quality and versatile cargo solution. Constructed from premium aluminum alloy, this roof rack offers impressive durability and strength, while maintaining a lightweight design that ensures the vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency are unaffected. Its aerodynamic profile minimizes wind noise and drag, enhancing the driving experience. The Alavente roof rack features user-friendly, adjustable clamps for a secure, damage-free fit, making installation quick and easy. With its substantial load capacity, it is perfect for transporting a variety of items, such as luggage, bicycles, kayaks, and other outdoor equipment, making it ideal for both everyday needs and adventurous trips. The sleek, modern design complements the Nissan Rogue's aesthetic, while the corrosion-resistant finish ensures long-lasting durability in all weather conditions. Combining functionality, strength, and style, the Alavente roof rack is a top-tier accessory for Nissan Rogue owners who demand reliability and performance. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly. So that it from this video, and I hope you like this video on Best Nissan Rogue Roof Rack, and if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.